the barnyard. Look around. The cow says moo, it's a happy sound. The pig says oink, rolling in the hay. The duck says quack all day. Moo moo, oink oink, quack quack, hooray. Let's make animal sounds today. Moo moo, oink oink, quack quack, hooray. Come and join the fun, hooray. The sheep says baa with a fluffy coat. The horse says neigh, and off it goes. The dog says woof, and wags it